Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer, and I'm back again with another Blender video. Today we're going to discuss sculpting. So right off we have our default 3D scene. We're going to delete our cube. With our cube selected, we're going to hit X on our keyboard. Delete. Alright. Now we're going to go up here in the upper left and select Add, Mesh, UV Sphere. Over on our right, we're going to select the wrench here. That's our modifier. Our modifiers are like special effects. Now let's choose under Generate, Multi-Resolution. Now if we zoom in with our wheel on our mouse, nothing's changed yet. So we have to subdivide our mesh. We'll pump that up to 4, 2, 3, 4. Now it looks a lot smoother. That's going to allow our mesh to act kind of like clay while we're sculpting. Now, in the upper left, let's choose Sculpt Mode. And right off you see the menu changes. You have a bunch of new tools. And the first tool selected is the Draw tool. So if we can just click with our left mouse button, start drawing. Now if we click in our mouse wheel on our 3-button mouse, we can look at the other side on the X-axis. It's mirrored. So if I do something over here, it happens on the other side. That's because in the upper right, we have mirrored selected. So we can turn that off for each axis. So now, on the X-axis, it's happening just on this side. Okay, our second tool off to the left is Draw Sharp. So if we click here, kind of pushes it in, the mesh. Now there are plenty of tools for you to explore. So go ahead, play with your clay, and make something cool, and then post it on Facebook.